That was that was that was last year September. I was going through my personal Facebook and I saw a congratulatory message from one of the bloggers that the FCT has a new commandant right now. So uh, because back then in 2016, 8 years ago, a friend of mine taught me how to do it, but later on I stopped after going to youth service and all that. When I came back, so I was working as a studio engineer because I do music and I'm a producer. So things were very very rough for me. I couldn't do anything. So when I saw the messages and the pictures online, they sampled online. So I had to create a Facebook account. Then downloaded some of the pictures which were uploaded in the other blogger site, and then I uploaded them in the new Facebook. And after 24 hours, I started getting some friend requests from people, especially applicants that they really want to join. So other personnel that want redeployment and the foreign course to Canada, which is included. So after that, they kept bringing in messages to me, and after analyzing their messages, so I normally ask them if they can process it financially. So if they say yes, that means we go on with it. So I will give them the OP account details, and also the they will send their resume or whatever for the process. So that is it. From September to December, it was nice based on recruitment. So from that September to December, we found like 4 people from recruitment and 2 people from. For recruitment, it's 100,000 naira. So nice for four. The redeployment is 30,000. That is 460. But from January, everything went sour. So nobody's believing the account no more before my arrest. because because of the pictures and I normally search for update based on recent pictures which I upload on the other side. Helena Marke, the lady, was a friend of mine. His name is BK. He's now in Kuwait right now. So when we were in school, when we were writing our final exam, that was in 2016 before our service in 2017. It's very, very but Liberian to school, he lives good life. So I was begging him, Alpha, why you doing this thing? You are living fine. He said later he will tell me. So one day I was in his house, so he went to the bathroom to have a shower. So I went through his phone and I saw this particular madam that was Helen there. So few minutes later he came in, so I off the phone. So he came, I was telling him to help me. So he will help me, but next week. So we met in inside the school. So he opened up, he told me, he opened the Facebook and showed me everything. So that is how I know about Helen Amasis. Just I and my friend, but she's not in Nigeria right now. She's in Kuwait now. No, there is no special interest. Just that I saw the pictures and Oga was smart and good looking.
Okay, how do you feel right now? Having your brother around you, having him, how do you feel that
Oh,
of Nigeria so that they can keep away from such practice?
okay, what I have to say is that now I'm in now, so there's nothing. So I'm advising other people that are doing same thing with me that they should just look for legitimate something to do. And me, I'm here. I've seen many things, and it's not enticing at all. So I'm advising fellow youths and people around me doing same thing to keep up with it. So it doesn't keep.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome to the command headquarters of Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, FCT Command, here in Wuse Zone 5, Abuja. And today you're invited for the coverage of the parade of arrested members of cybercrime syndicates who has been impersonating the NSCDC FCT Commandant, which is me standing before you, and other citizens of this country for fraudulent purposes. Gentlemen of the press, you will recall that sometime in September 2023, the Federal Capital Territory FCT Command of the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps alerted the public in a press release of the existence of a fake Facebook account opened by an individual in the name of Commandant Olushola Odumosu, the FCT Commandant, which is myself. Control the noise coming from that side. This effort became necessary to distance myself from the said Facebook account so that unsuspecting Nigerians would not fall in the hands of these fraudsters. This effort, upon discovery, I gave a directive to the intelligence and investigation team and the anti-fraud unit of my command to unravel the persons behind the fake Facebook account. Today, gentlemen of the press, I am glad to inform you that the manhunt, which began about 7 months ago, followed by a well-coordinated covert operation by my men with the assistance of our counterparts in Delta and Anambra State Command, finally paid off, as we have in our custody the masterminds behind the fraudulent Facebook accounts. The arrest took a lot of concerted efforts over a period of 7 months, lots of efforts, undercover operations, and investments was put into this operation that eventually led to the arrest of the 2 suspects we have in our custody that we are parading today. And they are Henry Uche Odep, is male, 34 years of age, hails from Cross River State, and another, Emmanuel Uche Udep, is male, 23 years of age, from the same Cross River State. One of my sisters in the press is shaking her head. I think they are brothers. Well, one of the suspects, Emmanuel Uche Udep, who was the first to be apprehended by my men after being lured into Abuja, made a very useful confessional statement, which led to the arrest of Henry Uche, his elder brother, who incidentally had the phone used to operate the fake Facebook accounts on him at the point of arrest in Delta State. Emmanuel confessed that his brother, Henry Uche Odep, is a Yahoo boy and was the one that created the Facebook accounts bearing Olushola Odumosu. Immediately, I was appointed as the FCT command in August 2023. He admitted to being the one withdrawing monies sent to the OP account by his brother through POS machine until he was arrested by officers and men of NSCDC FCT. On his part, Henry Uche informed that he started the online fraud in 2016, and he is the one that lured his younger brother into the fraudulent acts because he was disturbing him, according to him, for small funds. He confessed to duping a lot of unsuspecting Nigerians of different sums of money under different guises in cyberspace. He also disclosed that he is the same person behind the defrauding of so many people through a fake Facebook account opened, for those of you who are very conversant with us, was opened in the name of late Helen Amakiri about 8 years ago, 2016, when she was then an assistant commandant general. The same guys are the one that opened that fake Facebook account in the name of our late Helen Amakiri, who was then an ACG 8 years ago, 2016. But thank God they are in our custody as we speak. This is one amongst many other accounts. They have impersonated and duped people as well. Investigation revealed that they operate OPay, MoneyPoint, and PalmPay accounts to receive money from unsuspecting persons, but no bank account with any traditional commercial bank. They also use two accounts belonging to one Victory Chinagorum, who, according to them, never knew they were into cyber fraud. According to Henry, one of his friends, Chibuike Okorie, introduced him to cybercrime. The said friend is currently in Kuwait as he has relocated from Nigeria. The following people were also arrested alongside with the principal suspects. They are Amadi Chisom, female, 31 years of age, and Mrs. Okafor Evelyn, female, 24 years of age, whose name came up in the course of investigation, and they were arrested alongside the principal suspect, even though they have been granted bail, pending when they will be required in the course of prosecution. This is because findings reveal that they had no knowledge of the crime committed by the duo, because they were just business women. The items recovered from the suspect include MoneyPoint POS machine, OPay POS machine, one each, Techno Spark 10 phone, one, Techno POP8 phone, one, Infinix phone, one number. However, investigation is ongoing. When it is concluded, they will be prosecuted according to extant law, and we believe that appropriate sanctions will be meted on them. I want to use this opportunity to warn all cyber criminals who specialize in defrauding people of their hard-earned money to find legitimate trade or legitimate source of income to do, because sooner or later, the long arm of the law will catch up with them. The eagle-eyed officers and men of NSCDC are everywhere. You can only run, you cannot hide. This arrest should also serve as a deterrent to others in this illicit business that crime does not pay. The NSCDC FCT Command, in collaboration with other security agencies, will continue to launch its dragnets into fighting any form of criminality that contravenes the peace, order, and security of our people or any other government interest for the people.